Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Akotrosio Sandra. The previous videos we have been studying the Google applications, but today we are going to be going through the mail merging. It's kind of related to one of those Google applications which was using an email to send letters and what, but it's kind of related to this, just that this we shall send the same video, the same letter to very many people, but the contents that may differ would be the people receiving the letters, and maybe the details of the people that will be sending the letters to, like class will differ, then date will differ, and then name will differ, but the content in the letter will be the same. So we are going to start with an example that, okay, when we are going to start this, to make things easy, we have to first make a table of the content, of the details of those people, like the details of the people that are going to be sending the letters to, the details that we know that may differ, like the details that have to differ in the letter. So this is the table that we created. We created this table using the Microsoft Word. So we had to go to insert, then we go to tables. So here we are choosing the rows and columns. So here we wanted to use 1 2 3 4 columns that had class, name, amount and date. So we inserted 4. We had to insert 4 columns, and then 1 2 3 4 5 6 rows, whereby this first row had these the things that we're going to be writing down. Then we are using an example of 5 students. So that's how we have used the Microsoft Word to make our table. So that's how, after making the table, so we go back, first save the changes, then we shall go back to the letter, an example of a letter that I had already typed, then that we shall edit with, like so this is the letter that will go to the students that were in the previous table. So according to this, it's better you put the table and the letter in the same folder to make work easy. So here we are going to go to the mailings, but before that, when you look at this table, there is where these bold things are. There is name, class, then if we continue down, there is amount, there is date. So those are the things that will vary in every letter. But if you see the content of the letter, it will be the same content of the letter, but the difference will be those highlighted stuff, the ones that are bold. So we shall go back here where the letter starts from. So we shall go to mailings, and it's not good to use the things that we have bolded them here. Why? Because we have typed fine, but the computer system won't be able to recognize them, to put them in all. In fact, they will put them the same way in all letters that will go to the different people, yet it's not what we wanted. So we are going to start using the mailings. Shall go to the mailings, then we go to select recipient. But of course, there is type a new list, there is use an existing list, choose from Outlook contacts, but we have already typed. So we have already made our table, the list and the content that we want it to be in different letters. So we shall tap on that. Then we shall go to the desktop. Then we shall go to Sandra, because it was in folder Sandra. Then you go to this assignment. So we shall go to our table of mail document. wait for little bit. So after tapping on the table doesn't appear on the desktop, but like the table is already open. So we shall go to insert merge fields. When you go to insert merge fields, so where the specific this bold characters, so here there is name, we shall tap on name, only name. Then we shall go to insert merge fields. Then so only this brings you understanding that the table is already open, since the merge field of name has appeared. So we shall then go to class, we highlight it, okay. Another option of inserting merge mail, you go and tap on the word that you want to insert the merge on, then you delete it, then you go to insert merge field. From there it was class, so we go and tap on class, then we put insert. There it goes. So first close this, then you go to date, we delete it using the backspace. So after that you go to the insert merge field, it was date, put date, which is there. So we go and look for amount, first 600 later, go and tap on amount, you delete it using the backspace key, then you go to insert merge field. So it was fees balance off, that means it was amount, you tap on the amount, then you put insert. Okay, so all the date is there, class, name and amount. So we have inserted all our merge fields. So we shall go to preview results. First of all, the table is already open, that means the content in the table will already be there in the later. So we shall go to preview results. So the first person on the list was Odero Jonathan, and that is where he is. So we shall go and see this. We shall use this arrow, find recipients. The next one was Apio Jacqueline. So this is the easiest one to send letters to many people, the related letters but with different specific content, but the letter gives the same information to these all kind of people, just that the details will be different. So when you look at how you can send like the same content of letters to around 100 people, how tiresome it could be typing all this work to 100 people. So I think this could be the best way to type this kind of letters to those people. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and share the link to other people so they can gain the same thing, and maybe of something that haven't clarified very well, you can put on the comments, so I can go and see the comments, then I get to know what's missing, so that in my next videos I clarify and maybe bring back a better video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.